What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be taking a little look at my Redbubble shop or my store. We're going to be looking at my traffic, how many designs I have, and all that good stuff. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. We also talk a lot about passive income. So if you're interested, then go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know step by step currently how I'm making passive income with low content books, then click that link in the description down below to go through to the Printing Profits course, or you can get there by going to printingprofits.com. So let's head on over to my dashboard on Redbubble, and we're going to look at all my stats and see how everything's going for me. So straight off the bat, you can see I already have 2 followers. So I must be doing something right. I have 11 favourites, so 11 people have favourited my products, which is also pretty good. Now bear in mind, I have only been doing this, a couple of weeks now, if that, so not very long at all. So if we scroll down, we can see I have no earnings as of yet. So I haven't sold anything on Redbubble. That will come, I know it will, as long as I'm consistent with the platform and make good designs. And if we scroll down to here, we can see my unique visitors, or all the traffic that's coming to my Redbubble store. Now bear in mind as well that their traffic is a little bit delayed. I am going to be hooking up Google Analytics to my Redbubble store, so if you'd like to see a video on how to do that, then leave a comment down below letting me know. So because their traffic is always delayed, I find that really annoying. So I've had a little bit more traffic than this, but we can see that I've had 1 from social media, 2 from Redbubble, 2 from others, 6 organic as well, which that's what I'm really interested in, the organic traffic, because I don't want to be doing any advertising for my designs. But yeah, that's my traffic. You can see that the traffic is slowly coming. So if I keep being consistent, then I will get results, because as you can see, people are starting to find my products and they are actually following me and favoriting my designs as well. So I reckon within the next few weeks, if I keep making some designs, I'm more than likely going to get sales, and when I do, I will make a video on that. So let's go over to my portfolio and see how many designs I now have. Now I have 47 designs up, so not really that many at all. I would like to have at least a few hundred designs on here. Now the good thing about this, now I've started on Redbubble, my designs are completely different on here to what I do on my low content books. But at the same time, my designs, because they are patterns, they look really well on journals and notebooks and look actually really good. So what I've been doing is designing for Redbubble and then turning those designs into books, putting them onto KDP, and they have also been selling, so that's a bonus. Now my designs are pretty easy to make, but they also look really good. Now I know you can't see any, so you're going to have to take my word for it, but I'm going to scroll down. I have blurred them all out obviously, and this is how many designs I have. So 47. Getting that traffic, it's slowly building up. Not as fast as my sales on KDP when I first started on there, but I'm not uploading as much as what I was to Amazon KDP, because on here it takes a little bit longer, especially if you're adding to all different products, making them look nice as well, and just going through and cleaning everything up. So that's all my stats for my Redbubble store. Let's go back over to here. You can see that I am getting followers, I am getting favorited as well. The sales will slowly start trickling in soon. Well, that's what I believe, because that traffic is there and I am getting eyeballs on my products. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.